What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video, and I got some not so good news for you. This is a little bit of a different video. Honestly, I never even thought that I would be making something like this, but y'all see it on the screen, man. ChatGPT Atlas browser is now deprecated. I still had it up. I didn't even get to have, a final close, man. And they're saying the Chrome extension brings the full power of ChatGPT to Google Chrome, and that the desktop app is better for agentic browser work. Look, man, you can never replace ChatGPT Atlas. And I just feel like I want to say a few words, as kind of like my goodbye, bro. So ChatGPT Atlas, man. You've been and become my top browser. The things that you were able to do, the things that you allowed me to do, I have never done in a browser before. I love that you were merged with ChatGPT, which made you a smart browser. I love that you had customizations. I love that you had some of the features from other browsers, but you still felt like your own. You were still your own browser. And honestly, as we come to this day, I didn't expect this to happen today. I knew that, they sent some notification saying August something. But I thought it might have been August 23rd or something like that. August 14th, bro. I won't even try to look for you in other browsers because I know I won't find it. I know that we had a fantastic run, and I'm sorry to see you go. You don't understand how sorry I am to see you go. I will open you every day. Every day. Multiple windows, multiple tabs. You were the main runner for me. You were how I connected to so many other things. You were how I went to youtube.com. You were how I went to check my email. You allowed me to start a new tab and type in, I want an image of a sloth, and I'll get it. That was you. And now you're not here, man. But I do want to show y'all something very cool that did happen. So, basically, let me show you guys this. So, I got Codex to build me a new browser, right? So, I knew this was coming, and I said, look, man, I can't go without a ChatGPT Atlas. So I built a clone. I want y'all to check this out. Now, this is pretty early on, but look at this. Look at this. You know, this is the new tab. So you type in here, how to water plants, and now you got them both right there. You got them both. So I can send a completion, and I get it. This is my actual ChatGPT account is connected to this browser. If you guys go over here, it has an assistant ChatGPT subscription. Can I zoom in? No, I can't. So we got a reply, but guess what? We can go to a new tab. We can say how to water plants. We can go to Google right there. We can go to Google and we can go. wherever we want. So that's what I did because ChatGPT Atlas got deprecated. Honestly, I didn't know it was going to be today, but this is why I built this browser. So I'll be using this. It's local first. I built this completely with Codex, and also the Master Vibe Builder GPT, which you can get in the wait AI Educate AI Lab. All right, join. It's completely free. We have resources. We have skills, and yeah, man, this is what I did. But I am sad about ChatGPT Atlas, but this is what AI allows us to do. You know, if something that you really, really like using is gonna disappear in a little bit of time, then just make a clone. Just tell Codex, hey, matter of fact, tell ChatGPT Pro 5.6 Pro, I want to make a clone of X, Y, and Z. It will give you what it is, how you can make a clone, and it'll give you a prompt to do that. Give that package to Codex, it'll build it for you, launch it, iterate. You know, like this is we got downloads right here. Look at this. Our history. We got bookmarks, Educate AI Lab right there. Get access. Get access. We also have a whiteboard. So check this out. If I go rectangle, then I can make a rectangle. If I go select, then I can move the rectangle. If I go text, then I can type some text. Oh, hold on. Okay. 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 So that's there and that's there. So it's a little buggy as you can see, but that's why we iterate, you know? We continue to help the AI to understand what we want and add more features. And yeah, we can clear it. We can close that. I mean, you got a assistant over here, so guess what? Um it can see my screen. So what is here right now? If we just send that. And you know, this really shows where we are with AI. We're not at a very early stage anymore. We are at a place where this is actually useful. So this is a WAP page, visible details, blah 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 blah. All right. So thanks for stopping by. RIP ChatGPT Atlas. I am so sad, but we gotta move on. We gotta move on. Yeah, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.